welcome back. We have another unboxing. Hey, welcome back. We have another unboxing, and today I brought back my friend Helping Hands. Helping Hands, can you hand me a knife, please? Oh my God. Okay. Well, not what I wanted exactly. With like a knife, please. Yeah, thanks. Just hands me a machete. Like, what's wrong with it? Oh my God, no, dude. What is? No, this is a martial arts weapon. We're not. No. Can we get like a regular pocket knife? Oh my God, I'm so sorry, people. 1 second here. Is that the Leviathan axe? Oh my God, I've always wanted this. Okay, not exactly what we wanted, but let's go ahead and use it. Oh my God, it cuts so nice. I could take down my mortal enemies or immortal enemies. Oh my God. Yeah, that's cool. All right, this is something that LINNPOWER has come out with, and you guys have asked for it when it first was announced. It was the Zephyr. And everyone was saying, oh my God, the standing platform is a little too small for me. I want a little bit more range, a little bit more oomph, a little bit more everything. And oh my God, this is gorgeous. They gave us exactly what we wanted, which was help me. Lord Almighty. Okay, we got it. Don't worry. This is the LINNPOWER ZEPHYR MAX. Basically just a bigger version of the LINNPOWER ZEPHYR. It's gorgeous. I love the bamboo finish on this thing. Oh my God, this is awesome. So low to the ground. Let's go ahead and dive into this thing. This is an absolutely gorgeous board from LINNPOWER. I love the Zephyr that first came out. The color combo, the look of it was absolutely fantastic. A lot of people were complaining that it was just too short of a deck. Well, they solved that issue and gave us exactly what we wanted. A beautiful, longer deck, double kingpin setup, so wah-pa for days, with gorgeous range, power, and everything else to boot. On top of that, AT tires and 85mm booster wheels. A little bit of a caveat with this, I did actually take this out already and test it out. These 85mm wheels with this setup as the trucks right now are a little too close to the ground for the enclosure on a heavier rider. So if you do make a sharp turn, I actually hit and scrape the enclosure on here. So what you can do, because it is a bamboo deck, is actually top mounted, so you can take the trucks off, put them underneath there, and that will give you an extra ground clearance there, allowing you to rock the 85mm wheels that comes with it. So if you guys are putting on the 85mm or rocking with the 85mm wheels, you will have to just swap this out to a top mounted version. So just trucks come off, get mounted underneath through, and you're good to go in that sense. That being said, I will be switching over to the AT setup because I really want to try these things out. These are the LINNPOWER quick release hubs. I love these hubs. I think this is an incredible, fantastic upgrade for anyone. So definitely want to check out the range and grip and ride feel with double kingpin on these as well too, because I feel like a majority of people are really going to want to ride these guys anyway. So let's go ahead, swap these over. First things first, I'm the realist. Second thing is, yep, this is definitely the wah-pa that you are looking for from the Zephyr MAX. If you guys are looking for the Zephyr and you wanted that Zephyr, but you wanted a little bit of a longer deck, more power, more range, well, this one is the option. The MAX is going to cover for you because it's just beautiful. So beautiful. So wah-pa. Let's fucking rip her. Oh yeah. And stable. Yeah. Still stable. Oh my God, so fun. So
double kingpin setups, 38-inch decks, just about 11-inch in width. The drop down feels great. The locked in position feels amazing. All of this is literally first impressions because it's the first time I'm standing on this thing with the actual 6-inch tires on here too, the 160 millimeter quick swap wheels, which look phenomenal. All that being said, great product. LINNPOWER always has been coming out of the gates this season. I will gladly say that they're one of the top tier ones. Why is it so busy? Oh, it's so tight. Oh, perfect. The rips. It's so good. It's so good. It's so busy here. It's never time. This is literal first impressions on the Zephyr MAX, and I can say without a doubt, fantastic board. Feels phenomenal. I mean, what's not to love? 14S4P, EVE cells, over 1,000 watt hours of battery capacity, WAPA for days. It feels so locked in, so dialed in. All the is that what's going on? Yeah, it feels phenomenal. Absolutely beautiful. 100% can recommend. Going to be doing obviously a more in-depth thing. This is just to get the video out for this upcoming weekend, so I apologize. Work has been crazy, life's been crazy. This board though has been phenomenal, so I will say that feels good, and stay tuned for more.